program is, I'm just copying suppose from, okay, I'm just copy it from browser. What is the site for Node.js to download? What is the site? Anyone? The official website for Node.js. I told you.
Node.js.org.
Yes. So node.js.org. Going to write. Okay. Now in about section, you can see I told you you have to download this long-term version. Okay. If you are going to download this current version, it will need updations period on particular period of time. This is the long-term version, so you have to download it by default. Okay. Next, in about section, here is one code given, so I'm just copying it as it is, and I'll paste where to paste it. Where is my Node.js folder created? Anyone? Where to see my Node.js folder?
C drive.
In C drive, here is what? Program files. In
Program
that
files.
Node.js is there. Okay. You can create your directory over here. You can create your folder. In that you can put your codes. I'm simply right click here and just create one text document, suppose. I give my node, suppose. Okay, this is the text document, so I have to open it. I stop share. I'll again open my document. Where is it? Notepad. Okay, so this is the txt file. I don't want txt file. What I want? The .js file. Okay, so I'll just click on this file menu. I'll tick that save as. Okay, I'll go into this save as tab. Then I'll give here. तुम्हाला दिसतं ना हे? Rename करताना दिसतंय ना ते?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my node dot काय करणार आहे मी? JS, and here you have to select as a all files instead of text file. Okay, now save it. Okay, now this file would be my .js file. You can see over here. Okay, नाही दिसत आहे इथे, स्टॉप करावं लागेल शेअर. ठीक आहे, मी सांगते नंतर. ओके, काय इथे नोटपॅडचं तुम्हाला फाईल दिसते ही, याच्यामध्ये कॉपी केलेला जो कोड आहे तो मी पेस्ट करते. कॅन यू सी दिस कोड? येस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see here, const http, what it is? HTTP variable I have created with the required HTTP module. Okay, host name I have given, port number I have given. I can directly put as it is into this instead of writing placeholders, or I can create variable and pass it to this script message box or console.log function. Okay, next is server. One object we have to create by create server method. So http dot create server request and response. You can write over here function, and then instead of these I can directly put my code into curly braces. Okay, next response dot status code I set header I set. Instead of these two statements I can write header. Is it? बरोबर ना? सगळ्यांचे व्हेरिएशन सांगितलेत कुठे काय यूज करू शकतो. And response dot end I'm displaying over here hello world or suppose hello node.js. Okay, Getting? So now server.listen, the port number and host name, it will display me the message like this. Okay, we'll just run it and then check what happens. Okay, so I'll just, okay, I remove white spaces, suppose it may give me errors. I'll save my code by Control S. I'll stop this share. Where to go? From command prompt, I have to execute my Node.js program. Okay. Okay. Before to that, I'll just show you how it looks like. My program would be in Node.js directory. Okay, so you can see this my node is text document which we created previously, and after all we saved it as a save as with the JavaScript. So this is my code. Are you getting? So the logo of this, you can see this is the JavaScript. This is not text file. Okay, now I'll just run it with the command prompt. How to do so? I have to go in my Node.js folder. So I'll go back with the cd ... Then I have to go in the directory program files. Is it? In program files, C drive program files, I'm having Node.js folder. So in that, my node.js file is there. Is it? So how to run that? Node my node.js, or you can simply type my node without .js extension. Is it? Now let us see. When I press enter, what happens here? The server is running at the backend now, and the URL is given whatever the port number and local host I have given. This is came over here. Okay, so I just need to copy this. Control C. Okay, I'll stop share it. I again go to the browser. Okay, let us check. I paste here my URL and press enter. Can you see the output? Hello Node.js. Is it visible? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you getting the steps? Every program you have to do like this. You have to create the HTTP module. You have to object of HTTP module. You have to create a server for your port number and local host.